Hi guys, today video is on green tea. So I have Typhoon brand. So I will talking about the brands later. But let's talk to what is actually green tea and how does it work. So green tea is made of camellia leaves. So camellia leaves basically they dry it, and whatever the dryness that you get, basically you'll have something like tea bags inside that. So I'll just unbox it, which I'm going to have after this video. So this is how basically it looks like. Okay, so it has lots of benefit. So benefit starting from like it has high in antioxidants, so that's why people use it during their detox time. It has got immunity, like it will boost your immunity. Some doctorical statement, if you say, or from medical point of view, it reduces your cavity in your teeth. It has also anti-cancer property. It has also got the best benefit, like it's something like it will develop your focus and concentration level. So these are the tons of benefit of green tea. So there is absolutely no side effect of it. But yeah, if you are the way to prepare, it's like prepare the green tea is like take 100 to 150 ml of water, add 1 bags of tea and dip it for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. You don't have to add anything like natural artificial sugar or some of the honey. Some people add it depending on taste. Do not prepare it with milk or something like that. So just add 150 ml of water, boil it and add this green tea bags kind of for 2 to 3 minutes, dip it, and you can have it anytime. So these are the maximum benefit of green tea. So let's talk about the brand. In India there are a lot of brand available like Lipton and other. So but I basically prefer this jasmine flavor. It has other flavor also, you can take it as per your choice. And Typhoon is one of the best brand which I found recently, and this is what I have been using for last 6 months now. It has really got great taste, and yeah, some green tea has caffeine inside it, so that's where you can should avoid late night, but this kind of green tea you can have anytime. So the dosage of green tea is like you can have 3 to 5 times a day, as per your choice, like from morning to say 10, you can in between you can have once, from 10 to 12 you can have in between one, and again 2 to 5 you can have in between them. So it depends on your timing or your whatever you prefer, you can have it. So yeah, Typhoon is one of the best one. I think the trial price is 65. It is also available in Amazon for cheap price, kind of 400 or 320 or 250 kind of. So you can buy in India. So Typhoon is definitely is one of the best based on taste also. Yeah, I do not prefer adding any kind of sugar or honey. So probably initially you will find it difficult to drink without sugar and honey. So even my family faced similar kind of issues when they tried without honey and sugar. I got to know from them, but later on I suggested them to make a habit of drinking green tea without honey and sugar. So they got used to it after 10-15 days. And right now they do a very natural or normal way of just adding green tea to the hot water and then take it. So thank you for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe. Let me know your comment and view. Thank you.